Hey everybody, so I got some mud flaps now. I bought these 4 months ago and I'm just now getting ready to put them on. I'm putting these on a 22 F150 Powerboost. Now I already got the rear ones partially installed. I'll show you that here in just a moment. These are the instructions. So this is for the rear side. Then we got the instructions for the front. Now I already started putting, like I said, I already put the first couple on. You will need a couple tools, but it does come with different clips and screws. I've already used some of them, of course. All right, so this one I already did. Now I'll show you the other side before I finish everything, just to kind of show you a little bit more. So you're gonna put your little clips and your screws. There's one of those little like bumper clips. You'll put it down there. And then we got like a bar back here, which you'll also screw that on, and then you're screwed up underneath. I'll show you that here in just a moment. And then this here, there's gonna be these little flaps. You're gonna flap them over, and then you're gonna put these clips on there to hold this in place. And it's really on there, really good. All right, so here's the side that I haven't quite finished yet. I did get these clips and I did get these screws in here, but you can see I don't have any clips up here. You got these little like black tabs, and you're gonna wanna bend those backwards, just like so. And then you're gonna put the clips on there, and that's gonna pretty much clip to your well. Then we still gotta put the little bar on, and I'll show you underneath where you'll put that as well, or where you'll connect it to the back side. All right, so there's our mud flap, and then we ran the bar underneath the well here. Now, like I mentioned with those clips, where you got to fold those back and put these clips on. Now these might take a little bit of force. All right, so we got both the back ones on, and once you have the clips and everything in place, this thing is on there really good. Look how sturdy that thing is. It's not really budging. All right, and take a look at the front ones, even easier. The front ones are the easiest ones to do. You got 2 screws you're gonna pull out of your well first, and then you're just gonna put this on, put the new screws in. You got your little clips like in the back. That's it on this one. We got our fronts. And we have our rears. All right, so hopefully this gives you an idea of what to expect with this brand and how to install them and what they look like. Anyway, these are the mud flaps. I believe they're for the 2021 and the 22 F150. But personally, like I said, I'm using it on a 22 Powerboost.